Hello everyone. I welcome you all to this online course on management concept for engineers. Myself, Dr. G. Manikandan, teaching mechanical engineering in Velamar College of Engineering and Technology. Let me share few thoughts on why engineers need management concepts. Before that, let me introduce myself. I am a teacher and I find it my utmost responsibility is to teach and train the students to reach their respective academic pinnacle. I am also heading the mechanical engineering department. I am leading this young and talented students towards their academic excellence in the field of mechanical engineering, of course with the help of competent and committed academics. Let me ask you a simple question. Is management an art or science? Because the answer to this question affects the expectation on learning this managerial concept. As many of you might have experienced, management is often said to be creative, whereas the science, which is based on the analytical thinking. Now, having learned the scientific principles, as an engineer, we have a kind of an ambivalent relationship to it. Whether science cures everything, that's a big question. And in reality, we find there are many, even uneducated people, managing their careers, their life, professional life, in a successful way. So, let me say, all the successful managers are not engineers, but the successful engineers are managers. Hope this will motivate the learners to learn this managerial concept, even though you are an engineer. Now, if you look at the modern day engineering organization, you will find these three concepts were often said to be the successful factors, like life cycle assessment, design for environment, circular economic principles. Now, how modern day organizations come up with these key concepts for their success? You could see that the successful organizations are having a clear vision and strategies for achieving those visions, like setting clear goals, developing roadmaps for sustainability, and the rest of it. They are able to collaborate and communicate with their stakeholders. Another feature of organization is innovation and adaptability, ethical consideration. And this course also focus on three key SDGs, like affordable and clean energy to all the people, industry, innovation and infrastructure, responsible consumption and production. You could see that the key concept behind these three key SDGs. Of course, this course is going to have a lot of interesting learning aids like command cards, boards, mnemonics, group assignments. Hope you all enjoy in learning these concepts. For any technical support, you can get it cleared in the forum available at every course material, or you can email to me at this mail ID. Thank you. Once again, I wish you all a happy learning this managerial concept for engineers.